For this year, we've really come up with game changer ideas. We've made a complete flat floor underneath the car as well as a proper diffuser, and it really should up our game quite a bit.
Yeah! We chose the Camaro over the 350R. The ability to have the wing, those things that are regulated by the race series, made it so it was kind of an easy decision.
The aerodynamics I made all here in a 3-car garage in a little suburb, so that's all really cool to me. It's something that I was able to build basically by myself and learn on. At the same time, it's obviously fast, competing with the best cars in the country.
Seeing how fast so many of these guys are, how well built so many of the cars are, it's like the craziest field of cars you can possibly imagine.